What's good, people? So if you ever wanted to see me MC wedding introductions, this is going to be a live and uncut video of me doing just that. It starts out with my initial comments, and then it goes right until I announce the first dance. And to give you a little context, I start out with checking with Santi, my wedding assistant, to make sure he's ready to go with the music. I check with the photographers and the videographers, make sure they're ready to go, and then we start.
Here we go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the beautiful Park Chateau. How are we feeling? How are we doing? I gotta split you up. This side of the room only. Can we make some noise for Maz and Esther? This side of the room, we got tables. How about this side? Make some noise for Bridal. Let's hear it.
Let's pause it real quick because what I do here is very calculated. See, I always identify what side of the room I think is going to have the most energy, and I go to them last because you want the last, round of applause to be the loudest. So I kind of always look for the younger people, the tables that are kind of moving and grooving, the side of the room that has the most drinks, and I go to them last.
Thursday night, I'm so pumped to get this party started. Please focus your attention on the double doors right over there as I announce the following people. We're starting with the father of the groom, Baram Asadi, along with the mother of the groom, Mariah Shojai. One more time for the bridesmaids, and you feel that? And now, let's hear it for the groomsmen. We got Zachary, Ryan, Benjamin, Daniel, Brett, Cody, and best man, Alan. Coming live from the VIP, heard me night lights up right for that new motion. The whole city got this, heard he got three, that other rapper got a hit, so he got out. Sitting on the vaccines, he got three things. Like, touchdown or something, he know how to act now. Hit the club with his team, make it go and sack down. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can hear my voice. Please rise out of your seats and clap those hands for me. Clap, clap, clap. With as much noise as you can make, please welcome the reason why we're all here tonight, the new Mr. and Mrs. Asadi.
Now, real quick, that last time where I say let's hear it for the couple, that's me and Santi's secret signal for him to fade out the intro music. Introducing the couple can go a million different ways. It can go longer or shorter, but you don't want it to get awkward ever. So that's why we have that secret signal, so he knows to bring down the music, and then we kind of go into the first dance at that point.
So everybody feel free to take your seats. We're set for our bridal party, and parents, you guys stay right where you're at. We're gonna make history right here, right now, center of the dance floor. This is gonna be the first official dance as husband and wife. And the song of choice is Forever and Ever and Always.
It's funny how love hits you when you least expect it.
And that's it, people. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you at the next one.